What is the formal charge of nitrogen in the nitrate ion? A plus 1, B plus 5, C minus 1, or D 0? In order to determine the formal charge of an atom in an ion or molecule, we must first draw the Lewis structure of the atom or molecule. After finding nitrogen and oxygen in the periodic table, counting the electrons of each, and adding an electron for nitrate's negative charge, we see that nitrate ion has 24 electrons. We draw the preliminary structure with nitrogen in the middle, oxygens attached with single bonds, and an octet around all atoms. Now we'll count the number of used electrons in the preliminary structure. There are 26 electrons in the preliminary structure. We have used too many electrons. To conserve electrons, we will make one double bond for every 2 electrons we are short. Therefore, we will make one double bond from nitrogen to any oxygen and erase a lone pair from each atom in the double bond. Now we will recount the electrons in the modified structure and see the number of electrons used equals the number of electrons we have. To calculate formal charge, we use a formula which states formal charge equals the number of s and p electrons the atom has alone minus the number of bonds it forms minus the number of electrons it has in lone pairs in the Lewis structure. Make sure to count the number of electrons, not the number of lone pairs. We see from the periodic table that nitrogen has 5 total s and p electrons. From looking at the Lewis structure, we see that nitrogen has formed 4 total bonds and has 0 lone pairs. This results in a formal charge of plus 1 for nitrogen. Therefore, the correct answer is A.